Good afternoon, students. Yesterday I gave a worksheet. Now I will explain that worksheet key. Listen carefully and maintain the worksheet book. Okay. Now listen. If a reflection takes place at the convex surface of a spherical mirror, then it is called a convex. Okay, that is called a convex mirror. First one, the reflection takes place in the at the convex surface of a spherical mirror is called a convex mirror. Listen. It is a convex surface. Okay. Inside is the coating surface. It is coating with silver. Silver surface. Okay. It is reflecting surface. It is reflecting surface. Okay, it is called a convex mirror. Convex mirror. It is the first one. Next one. If a convex surface of a spherical mirror is silver, then it is called a concave mirror. Second one. It is the convex side, it is the concave side. Here, what is the given question, ma'am? If a convex surface of a spherical mirror is silver, means it is silver. Okay, so it is silver surface. It is silver surface. Okay, it is a reflecting surface. Inside is a reflecting surface. So it is called a concave mirror. It is called a concave mirror. Okay. Next one, third one. The point on this spherical mirror at the middle of the surface. At the middle of the surface is called a pole. Okay, question number 3. At the middle of the surface, that is called a pole. Let us consider a concave mirror or convex mirror. It is a concave mirror. The midpoint, it is the midpoint. Okay, so a midpoint is called a pole. It is center of curvature. So it is called a pole. Pole is the answer. Okay, next one. The center of the sphere of which the spherical mirror is a part is called a center of curvature. Question number 4. So it is the center of the curvature. So it is called a center of curvature. Center of curvature. Center of curvature. Okay, one. Next, fifth one. The relation between focal length. The relation between focal length and the radius of curvature of a spherical mirror is. So what is the relation between spherical mirror of a focal length and the radius of curvature? So here r equal to radius of the curvature, that is equal to 2f. R equal to 2 times of the focal length, r. We can write f equal to r by 2. F equal to r by 2. So R. So what is the given answer here? F equal to R by 2 is correct only. Option number R equal to F or F equal to R by 2. Next one we can write here 1 by F equal to, from the above equation you can 2 by R. 1 by F equal to 2 by R. So option C is the correct one. Next option A also correct one. Option C, B also correct one. So option number 4 is the answer. All the above. It is the question number 5th one. The relation between focal length and radius of curvature. Okay. Next, the ratio of radius of curvature to the focal length of a spherical mirror. Radius of curvature to the focal length of a spherical mirror. Question number 6. So here we can write R equal to 2F. The ratio between R and F means radius of curvature and focal length. So F coming to this side, we can write the above equation equal to R by F is equal to 2 by 1. R by F equal to 2 by 1. Therefore R is to F is equal to 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. R F is to R is equal to 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2. It is the relation between the ratio between F and R. Okay. Next, 7th one. The image of an object with a spherical mirror is the point of intersection of dash rays, reflected rays. Question number 7. That is answer is reflected rays. Next, 8th one. The mirror will be used to obtain a parallel beam of light from a small lamp is concave mirror. Okay. Next one, 9th one. To trace the image of an object due to a spherical mirror, the minimum number of rays required is 2 rays. So 9th one, it is a concave mirror. It is the incident ray. It is 4. Incident ray and reflected ray. Incident ray and it is the image. So we require how many rays? 2 rays. 9th one, 2 rays. Okay. Next, 10th one. 10th one, it is passes that questions. 2 centimeters high object is placed on the principal axis of concave mirror at a distance of 12 centimeters from the pole. The image is inverted under here under 5 centimeters height. Then first one, the image distance of the object from the mirror is listen here. 11th one, what the given value is? Height of the object equal to 2 centimeters and the height of the image is given, that equal to 5 centimeters, and u is given, u equal to minus 12 centimeters. Then find the v value. So by using a height of the object and height of the image, we can find the magnification value m. So here m equal to height of the image by height of the object. So what is the height of the image? 5 centimeters by 2 centimeters, that equal to m. To once here 2.5. So here m equal to 2.5 centimeters. M equal to here 2.5. But we know that magnification m equal to minus of image distance by object distance minus v by u. But here m equal to how much? 2.5 equal to minus v by, what is the u value here? Minus 12 centimeters. So minus minus it cancel. Therefore v equal to 12 into 2.5 centimeters. 12 into 2.5 centimeters. How much amount? That equal to 30 centimeters. So here v equal to 30 centimeters. V equal to how much? 30 centimeters. Option number B is the answer. Option number B is the answer. So it is 10th one. Sorry, 10th one. Option number B, 30 centimeters. Now, then find the focal length of the concave mirror. 11th one. From the above data, we can find the focal length. Okay. So here 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. Okay, we can write here m equal to f by f minus u also. Okay. Okay ma. Now 1 by f, 11th one, equal to 1 by u. U equal to here, u equal to minus 12 and v equal to 30 centimeters. Okay. Now here we can write total. We can take LCM here. What is the LCM here? 12 and 30. For 12 and 30. For 12 and 30. LCM is 60. So here 5 times minus 5 here. How much amount? Minus 2 by 60. Okay. The answer. Okay. Minus 5 minus 2, that is equal to minus 7 by 60. So here 1 by f equal to how much? Minus 7 by 60. Therefore f equal to 60 by minus 7. 60 by minus 7, how much? 60 by 7. that equal to how much here? 8.6 centimeters. So here focal length f equal to 8.6 centimeters here. So for concave, it is a concave mirror. That's why f equal to minus 8.6 centimeters. Then find the 12th one, magnification m equal to here minus v by u. M equal to minus v by u. So here v equal to 30 minus 30 by u. U equal to minus 12. So minus means it cancel. That equal to 30 by 12. 30 by 12 6 table 6 5 6 2. Sorry 6 5 so 5 by 2 that equal to 2.5. So m equal to here 2.5. It is a magnification. Okay, option number C is the answer. Next one, 13th one. A convex mirror used to form an image of real object in the identify the wrong statement. The image lies between the pole and focus. It is wrong. The image is real. So option D is the correct one. For 13th one, option is D. The image is real. 13th one, the image is real. 13th one, the image is real. The image is real. Okay, next one, 14th one. The magnification m, the image distance v and the focal length of f of a spherical mirror are related as. So the relation between focal length and magnification and image distance. What is the relation between focal length, image distance and then magnification? And then magnification, we know that the relation between u, v and f. 14, what is the relation between focal length, object distance and image distance? 1 by f is equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v. It is the relation between f, u and v. At the same time, magnification equal to minus v by u. Magnification equal to minus v by u. Okay. From the equation number 1. From equation number 1, we can find 1 by f minus 1 by v equal to 1 by u. That means here 1 by u equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. So here we can take LCM. F into v is the LCM. Okay. So here 1 by u equal to v minus f by f into v. Therefore we can write u equal to fv by v minus f. U equal to f into v by v minus f. Now what is the equation number 2? From equation number 2, in the place of equation number 2, so m equal to minus v by u. In the place of u, we can substitute here f into v by v minus f. Therefore m equal to, from equation number 2 from equation number 2 here m equal to minus v by u. So what is the u value here? Fv by v minus f, minus of v by f into v by v minus f. So here we get cancelled, remaining value equal to minus 1 by f by v minus f, that equal we can write minus 1 into v minus f by f, that equal to minus v plus f by f. Therefore m equal to we can write f minus v by f. It is the relation between focal length, magnification under image distance. Okay now? Okay, now subject answer ma. Listen once again, explain once again. So what is the relation between AFUV 1 by f equal to 1 by u plus 1 by v? It is the relation between focal length, object distance and image distance. We know magnification formula, that is m equal to minus v by u from equation number 1. Okay, so from equation number 1 we can find the u value. So 1 by v coming to this side minus. Okay, so 1 by f minus 1 by v equal to 1 by u. 1 by u. Therefore we can write 1 by u equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. Okay, 1 by u equal to 1 by f minus 1 by v. So what is the LCM here? F into v is the LCM. So 1 by u equal to v minus f by f into v. Okay, therefore we can write reverse sum, reciprocal v u equal to f into v by v minus f. So from equation number 2, what is the equation number 2 here? M equal to magnification equal to minus of image distance by object distance, that equal to minus v by u. So in the place of u we can write f into v by v minus f. Okay, now m equal to minus v by u. What is the u value here? Fe by v minus f. So here minus v by f into v by v minus f. So here v get cancelled, remaining value minus 1 by f by v minus f. So reciprocal here minus 1 into v minus f by f, minus 1 into v minus v, minus 1 into minus f, that equal to plus f by f. Therefore we can write positive first value. So f minus v by f, f minus v by f. Okay, come on, next one, 15th one. Among the following virtual image can be formed by plain mirror always forms the virtual image, convex mirrors also form virtual image, and concave mirror also forms the virtual image. So question number 15th one. Question number 15. All the above. 15th one. All the above. Okay. Next, an object is placed on the principal axis of concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeters at a distance of 8 centimeters. So from the pole, then the position and the nature of the image is. Then the nature of the image is. So what is the given value, Sama? Question number 16. Question number 16. Focal length is given and the object distance is given. Focal length is given. Okay. Focal length of concave mirror is negative. At the same time, object distance also negative. So your focal length is given, that is equal to how much amount? Minus 10 centimeters, because of it is a concave mirror. Focal length of concave mirror negative. Okay. Next one. U is given, means object distance, that is equal to minus 8 centimeters. The distance, image distance and object distance, and the focal length is negative for the concave. Okay, focal length and image distance is positive for the convex mirror, but object distance is negative. So here V equal to how much? Okay, so what is the relation between U, V and F? So we have 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. So what is the F value here? Minus 1 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by V. So 1 by 8 coming to this side plus. So here minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8 equal to V. Okay. So what is the LCM for the 8 and 10? What is the LCM? 40 is the LCM. 40 is the LCM. So here 4 times, here 5 times. Minus 4 plus 5 by 40 is equal to 1 by V. So 1 by 40 is equal to 1 by V. Therefore V equal to 40 centimeters. Image distance equal to 40 centimeters. The image distance is positive. The image is found behind the mirror. So it is a virtual image. For the image distance is positive for the convex distance. If the image distance is positive for the concave mirror, the image is found behind the mirror. So it is a virtual image. Image distance is positive for the concave mirror. For the concave mirror, the image is formed behind the mirror. Formed behind the mirror. So it is a virtual image. It is a virtual image. Okay, now it is a solution for the given problem. Listen once again. Here focal length is given. Listen carefully, Amma. Focal length equal to, for concave, the mirror is concave. That's why here focal length is negative. Object distance also negative. But here finally we got positive value, means it is a virtual image. Listen. F equal to minus 10, U equal to minus 8, then find the image distance. So what is the relation between F, U, V? 1 by F equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, so F equal to here minus 10, U equal to minus 8. So minus 1 by 10 is equal to minus 1 by 8 plus 1 by V. So minus 1 by 10 plus minus value coming to this side positive. So minus 1 by 10 plus 1 by 8 equal to 1 by V. So LCM for the 10 and 8 equal to 40. So here 4 times, here 5 times. So minus 4 plus 5 by 40 is equal to 1 by V. So here minus 4 plus 5 equal to 1. So 1 by 40 equal to 1 by V. Therefore V equal to 40. V equal to 40 centimeters. So image is positive here. So for the concave mirror, the image is formed behind the mirror. So it is a virtual image. Virtual image. If m is negative, we can find m value. M equal to minus v by u. So m equal to here minus 40 by u equal to minus 8. Minus and will cancel, that equal to 5. So here m equal to positive. So if m is positive, image is virtual. If m is negative, image is real. So here also m we got positive. So that's why it is a virtual image. It is a virtual image. Come on. Thank you. Remaining questions. Next video I will explain. Okay. Thank you.